Phindangene khona umntwana uzuzifa uphakathi kwethu kanye nabantwana bonke basendlunkulu amalunga emedia akhona lapha, members of the media kanye nabaholi bethu abasoma district nama constituencies nasemazikweni ikakhulukazi amavolontiya eqembu le-IFP abezokuphepha na wonke umuntu okhona lapha. Ngizokwenza amazwi okwemukela amafushane kakhulu. Okokuqala nqa namhlanje sihlangene lapha mhlonishwa mongameli ukuba ibutho lesizwe namakhosi asendlunkulu namhlanje alungiselela impi ingekho phakathi kwethu ingcweti umholi nosondonzima womzabalazo wenkululeko eNingizimu Afrika umntwana wakaphindangene. Ibandla nalo lizwa empini oqala nqa omunye walo umprofethi wama-Afrika engekho ukuthwala umphongolo wesivumelwane kanye nalo. For the first time in the history of democratic South Africa, the nation is going to beg without Prince Sixolise. For the first time today, one of the great architects of democracy in South Africa, Prince Phindangene, is not physically present in the midst of his army. Today is the day of the revolution of goodwill. It is the day of answers. Our country is facing grave socio-economic challenges. For the past 15 years, South Africa has regressed and blood-deepening crisis. South Africa may be rich in minerals, but is poor in leadership. The lack of accountability, moral and ethical leadership has driven South Africa to be where it is today. Years and years, Prince okwaphindangene, umntwana waphindangene, wielded the leadership of this country on the numerous challenges facing our people because of wrong policies of the ruling party, but nobody listened. As a result, today, South Africa is one of the most unequal societies in the world. Poverty has escalated unto unprecedented levels. Crime is the order of the day. GBV cases are a daily feature of ordinary South Africans. Our youth is facing high rate of unemployment. Abantu abasha abaqashiwe mongameli abasebenzi. Ababedlula lapha bebaningi nje bafuna ukuvotela inkatha ukuze bathole amathuba omsebenzi. Just few weeks ago, we even saw unemployed medical doctors marching on the streets. Izwe linjani la kuze izodokotela ngoba bethi kwabona abaqashiwe. Each year, thousands of graduates also join the queue of unemployment. Surely South Africa is traveling on the wrong path at a higher acceleration. We have to stop it now before the imminent catastrophe. The ANC has admitted that it wasted 10 precious years, and the last 5 years, which were meant to correct the situation, just became even worse. We have experienced 15 years of stagnation. Akwenzeki lutho lapha mhlonishwa mongameli KwaZulu-Natal naseNingizimu Afrika, akwenzeki lutho ukubuyisa ithemba. Patriots, fellow South Africans and comrades, I said today is the day of answers. Isikhathi sokukhuluma ngeyinkinga siphelile manje. Isikhathi sokwenza izethembiso zamanga siphelile manje. Lesi isikhathi sokwenza, lesi isikhathi se-IFP. Abantu baseNingizimu Afrika sebehlupheke kakhulu. Abantu baseNingizimu Afrika banemibuzo eminingi engaphenduliwe. Namhlanje i-IFP ilapha ukuletha incwadi yempendulo. I-Manifesto ye-IFP incwadi yempendulo. Umongameli wethu umhlonishwa uhlabisa uzoqaqa lencwadi ayifunde yona iqukethe impendulo zokukhala kwabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Amaqembu amaningi asewathulile ama-manifesto awo, kodwa namhlanje i-IFP izokwethula incwadi yempendulo, izoletha ivesi nesehluko ngobulungiswa kwezelakithi. May 29 must be the day of ordinary South Africans to solve their own problems. If we fail to help ourselves on May 29, we shall convince South Africa to 5 more years of problems and unanswered questions. While the country will continue to go down on the downhill dangerous path towards mediocrity, the IFP IFP is the answer to drive South Africa to the uphill path towards excellence, prosperity, and stability. IFP is ready for the birthday. Don't be passive. Winning the election is not merely about issue voting for the IFP, but winning the election is primarily about each of you convincing every large number of people not to only vote IFP themselves, but for each of them to go out there and convince other people to vote IFP. Once our president has delivered the IFP manifesto, we shall all go out and campaign on the streets, on the villages, townships, towns and cities. We shall spread the IFP message by the seaside, on the interland, and on the air. The IFP flag with the spirit of Ushene shall fly high and above South Africa's problems. Let's do it for Shene. Let's vote for the IFP. Masikhumbule umzabalazo mude weminyaka uShenge ezabalazela ukwakha lelizwe nesifundazwe sakithi KwaZulu-Natal. Masikhumbule uShenge elwela ukhosi, simkhumbule elwela imfundo njengesikhali somzabalazo lompisholo. Simkhumbule ngoNembeza wethu, sivotele iqembu le-IFP, senzele umntwana owaphinda ngene. Program Director, with these few words, I wish to welcome all South Africans to the Kingdom of KwaZulu-Natal. I believe that you are here today to be part of a generation that will rescue South Africa from being lost into the dark and deep dungeon. Thank you.
Siyathokoza mhlonishwa Ndunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal for those remarks which chart the way forward in terms of why we are here this morning.